Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your PayPal password or cannot log in because it keeps saying your password is wrong? Here's exactly how to reset your PayPal password in under a minute without losing your account or money. Open the PayPal app and tap on the login screen and enter your email address. Once you've done that, tap next. On password screen, you'll see a link that says having trouble logging in or forgot password. Tap that. Then PayPal will ask you how to reset it either by email or by phone number. Choose whichever you want or you have access to right now and tap send. If you choose email, open your email inbox and then look for a message from PayPal. Check your spam folder too if you do not see the message. Open email and tap the reset link. You'll be taken to a page where you can type in your new password. Make it at least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers. Type it again to confirm and tap save. Your password is now updated. PayPal will log you in automatically on that screen. So, next time you use Face ID so you never have to remember your password again. So all you gotta do is log in screen, tap forgot password, choose email and phone, get the reset link, create a new password and done. Subscribe for more PayPal guides.